Tuber Jeff with Low Price Keys again. How you guys are doing? We're doing a beautiful 2004 Toyota Prius Smart Key. Guess what? Customers went to the park and dropped the key or lost the key somewhere, and they cannot find that for the past 2 days. So here's just the new key that we've been programming in. Of course, once you step on the brake, push your start. You'll get the no key symbol, which means it's not been programmed yet. So let's go ahead and get it programmed, and we'll be right back. Trigger, we are back with a program key. Check this out. Here is your lock function. Here's your unlock function. And here is your panic button. Put it down to the off. Go ahead and start the key inside the vehicle. Again, make sure it's done by Low Price Keys Lights and Locksmith. You got the smart key function right there. Just go ahead and hit that button. Boom. Unlock the door and lock the door. Nice. Alright guys, once you sit inside the vehicle, I shoot up security light is blinking. This is smart key, just you can leave it on the dash, you can park anywhere. Put your foot on the brake and push your start button right here. Turn the dash on. And check this out, this is a hybrid, so it takes time to turn the vehicle on. Again, this is Jeff, Low Price Keys. You got one car key and lost all your keys, need a duplicate. And you guys lost a Prius key like this, we come by and do an OEM for you. Again, Jeff for Low Price Keys. We can be reached at 281-250-4334. You guys have one car key again, get it each one maybe before it's too late. We're also located throughout the United States. Thank you for calling us online, and you guys have a blessed